What if you're using your body wash the wrong way? That's why your skin might not be glowing as expected. What if I show you how to use your body wash the right way to have a brighter and glowing skin? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use two body washes to have a brighter and glowing skin without bleaching your skin. A couple of months ago, I noticed my skin was becoming dull and it was not glowing like I expected. I was using only one body wash on my skin. I didn't know that I was doing the wrong thing, but immediately I included this particular routine which I'll be sharing with you in this video. It was a game changer. If you want to have a brighter and glowing skin, just sit down to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know to have a glowing skin and how to use your body wash to get the desired results. The body wash we are going to be using in this particular routine is going to be the Nivea Cream Soft Body Wash. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This is the body wash over here. And the next body wash we're going to be using in this routine is the Vidgold Amino Acid and Glycolic Acid body wash. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This is the body wash over here. When it comes to skincare, you have to know your skin type, you have to know your skin concern, and you have to know your skin goal. You know, I shared with you previously that my skin was becoming dull, so I needed something that would repair my skin, treat my skin, and glow my skin. I didn't want something to lighten my skin. When I want to lighten my skin, these are not the body wash I'm going to be using. But now I just want to treat my skin and brighten my skin. If you want to lighten your skin, then this is not the routine you're going to use. I'm going to be sharing with you some other combos that you're going to use to lighten your skin and also brighten your skin. Okay, why did I choose these two body washes? I wanted something that would just moisturize my skin, repair my skin, and brighten my skin. This Nivea body wash is more like a mild moisturizing body wash. It doesn't do much, it's just a moisturizing body wash, while this is an exfoliating body wash. So these are the two things I use to get the desired result. After this routine, I will now go for a lightening routine. So if the lightening routine is something you're interested in, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to use these two body washes to get an effective result. So you're going to be using this Nivea Cream Soft Body Wash in the morning. This is how you're going to use it. You're going to first wet your skin, then you're going to apply this on your sponge, then use it and wash or cleanse your skin. Focus on those areas like your elbows and all those areas that you know that you want to like moisturize and brighten. You use this on all over your body, but focus more on those dedicated areas. When you're done, you rinse it off. When your skin is still damp, I would recommend you use a moisturizing body lotion alongside with this in the morning. You know, I always say don't use anything lightening in the morning. Use a moisturizing lotion or a moisturizing body wash in the morning, then you can now use a lightening or a treatment body wash or body lotion at night. Using this particular routine would be a game changer for you. Try it and come back and thank me later. Your skin is going to be looking even, going to be looking radiant, it's going to be looking brighter, and it's going to be looking healthy. You know, on this channel we always focus on healthy skin, so that's why you're going to be using this in the morning. Then at night you go in with this particular one, which is the Vidgold Amino Acid and Glycolic Acid body wash. First of all, you're going to wet your skin, then you're going to be applying this all over your body. When you have applied this on your body, leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes on your skin, then you wash it off. After washing it off, then you allow your skin to dry before you apply your lightening or your treatment lotion. Am I clear? I recommend you pair this body wash with any treatment lotion, maybe like the Alpha Renewal body lotion or the Amolatin body lotion or Serene body lotion. That's, you're going to get all the benefits. Pair this with any lightening or treatment lotion and you're going to get your desired results. So now, what do I like about this particular body washes? This Nivea Cream Soft body wash is really so moisturizing. It smells heavenly and it's perfect for your morning use. You can also use it at night, but moisturizing body washes like this, I prefer to use it in the morning and I would recommend you use it in the morning. But if you're on a budget, you can use this morning and night, but don't expect it to brighten your skin or lighten your skin. This is only going to moisturize your skin and glow your skin. Then this one, this Big Good Amino Acid and Glycolic Acid body wash is a treatment body wash. It's going to help to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to brighten your skin. But one thing about this body wash that I don't really like is that it may sting your skin depending on your skin type. Maybe not, it's not that it's gonna be, it's a bad sign, but just the first few days you're going to be using it. And the scent is okay. I like the scent. The scent is not that, it's not that bad. It's okay. Just a body wash, just a exfoliating body wash and a brightening body wash. If you have a very sensitive skin and you react to fragrance, this may not be a good choice for you. But if you don't mind a body wash that have nice or simple fragrance, this is good for you. These are the two body washes we'll be using in this routine. Don't worry, continue with me. I'm going to be sharing with you other combos that is going to give you a brighter and glowing skin. Now you'll be wondering, this particular two body washes, who is this body washes or this routine perfect for? For these two combos, if you know your skin is dull, if you know you have dark spots, if you know you have body acne, if you know you just want a body wash combo that you can use to just glow your skin without bleaching your skin, then this too is perfect for you. You know, previously I was telling you that I wanted a routine that would just moisturize my skin, brighten my skin, and treat my skin. So that's why I went for this. Okay? I know you'll be wondering, say, oh, others, what if I cannot lay my hands on this Nivea soft cream and this Big Good amino acid? Which other combos can I use? Don't worry, I'll share every combos you need that will still give you that brightening and glowing effect. So if you cannot lay hand on this, you can also get the SK Duchess body wash alongside with the Dove body wash. I'll put out a picture on the screen. This is the body wash over here. If you know you want to brighten your skin, you want to lighten your skin, go and get this combo. This Dove body wash, this particular one, and this SK Duchess body wash, your skin is going to be looking so beautiful. Your skin is going to be brighter, it's going to be lighter. Trust me, if you know you want to brighten and lighten your skin. Here, so this particular combo is another combo you can use if you cannot lay your hands on the Big Good amino acid and the Nivea cream soft body wash. Another combo you can lay your hands on is the Noble White shower gel and the Dove body wash. I'll put out a picture on the screen. If you know you want to lighten your skin, you want to brighten your skin, you want to glow your skin, this is the two combos you should not play with. This particular combo is going to help to brighten your skin, going to help to lighten your skin, and going to help to glow your skin. You know, on this channel I don't get, I share everything I know, and I know that it's going to be helpful for you guys. Okay, the next combo I will recommend for you to go for is the Golden Glow body wash and the Fuchsia body wash. I'll put out the picture on the screen. This is the body wash here. I don't have the Golden Glow, but the pictures will be on the screen. If you use these two combos, seriously, you're going to brighten your skin, you're going to glow your skin, you're going to moisturize your skin, and you're going to lighten your skin. One thing about having a glowing skin is not about using only body lotion. If you know how to use the right body wash alongside with the right body lotion, that is the game changer. Then if you want to like seal up everything, you go in with a good body oil. Seriously, your skin will be very nice, your skin is going to be healthy, your skin is going to be eatable. You know, this kind of people that when you see them, their skin will be very soft, like it will look as if like a baby butt. That's how your skin is going to be looking. I'm not talking about those that want to bleach their skin. You know, on this channel we don't talk anything about bleaching. We talk about healthy and glowing skin. Okay, then the next combo I will recommend for you to pair if you want to brighten and lighten your skin is, I'll recommend you go for the Olay vitamin C body wash alongside with the Bismuth shower gel. Go and use it and come back and thank me later. Your skin is going to be looking brighter, it's going to be looking lighter, and your skin is going to be glowing. And if you pair it with either a Bismuth body lotion or you pair it with a good body lotion that will help to brighten your skin, you're going to love your skin. Okay, another combo I'll recommend for you to pair is this Fuchsia body wash alongside with this SK Duchess body wash. You can use this particular SK Duchess or you can use the Blood Orange Blossom shower gel. I'll put out the picture on the screen. That one is also very good. It's going to help to lighten, it's going to help to brighten your skin. Okay, I know a lot of you watching me here, some of you are students and those that are on a budget, and you wonder, oh, I cannot afford all this body wash, what can I do? Don't worry, I got a solution for you. So if you know you're on a budget and you're a student, you're on a tight budget, you can equally get two bar soap. One is a moisturizing bar soap, then one will be a lightening bar soap, and you're still going to get the good result. Like you can use the Dove bar soap. I'll put up the picture on the screen. You can use this particular Dove bar soap, and you can use this kojic acid bar soap. You use this at night, then you use this daytime. Use this too, you're going to love your skin. But when you're using this particular two combo, these two bar soap, you need to also exfoliate your skin, and you also need to pair it with a good body lotion and a good brightening body oil to get the good result. You must not use those ones if you cannot afford the body washes I mentioned previously. You can use this too, or you can as well use the extract bar soap, and you can use the Dr. Harvey bar soap. I'll put all the picture on the screen. You can use the Dr. Harvey bar soap in the night, then use the extract in the morning, and you will still get a good result. Just pair it with a good brightening body lotion and a good brightening body oil, and make sure you exfoliate your skin, and your skin is going to be looking beautiful and glowing. Okay, so if you want to glow your skin, if you want to brighten your skin, if you know you're tired of having a dull skin, these things I've shared in this video, this routine of using two body washes, is going to help to glow your skin. There's not one magic product out there. You cannot be using only one body lotion and expecting magic to happen. When you want to have a glowing skin, you need to do a lot of pairing, like effective pairing, not just pairing any body washes or any body lotion. You need to pair the right body washes and the right body wash to get a glowing skin. You know, on this channel, if I do not tell you, so no one else is going to tell you. So make sure you stick around to this channel, and trust me, you're going to love it over here. Okay, have you tried everything on your skin, from cleansers, serum and cream, but nothing seems to be working? Come closer, let me tell you why. It's not your skin, it's not the advice. It's because 80% of products sold in Nigeria are mostly fake, expired or diluted. That's why we created the Ola's Reality Skincare Product Package Combo, which is a direct to customer service. We'll give you a full personalized skincare product recommendation that is tailored to your skin type, your skin concern, your budget and your skin goal. And guess what? All the products are authentic, and it will be delivered to you, and you smile after getting it. We have the basic starter package, which is 75,000 naira, the intermediate plan, which is 160,000, the advanced plan, which is 260,000 to 300,000, and we have the premium plan, which is 360,000 to 600,000. Please stop gambling with your skin. Click on the link in our bio or down in the description box to order your personalized skincare box. With Ola's Reality, real skin, real results. And if you have any skin issue you're battling with, please do well to comment down below. Feel free to download our 5 days clear skin starter plan. If you want to take your skin to the next level, grab our complete ultimate guide to a flawless skin. The first 20 people to get the ebook will get a free 1-day consultation with me. Then if you want to have a personalized skincare routine tailored to your needs, and a weekly follow-up and a monthly follow-up, please click on the link to book a one-on-one consultation with us. Like this video, share this video, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, have you used any of these body washes I've mentioned in this video, or have you used any of this routine which I've shared in this video? If you have, do well to share your experience with us in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe! What are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And trust me, if you want more skincare tips, this is the right channel to be. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video which I shared on how to use bar soap and body wash to have a glowing skin. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.